Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist, and today we are taking a quick look at Injective protocol on the daily time frame. Please do leave a like and subscribe, leave a comment down below as well for Billy. As you can see, he's looking very pleased today with the price action of Injective. And with that being said, we are just taking a quick look at the charts here for Injective protocol. So as you can see, we are coming up and making new all-time highs again today, currently sitting at around $39.40 for Injective in this local area here. You can see obviously with the Fibonacci pulled in from that previous bull market high down to the current low of the bear market, although it's very likely we'll be revisiting these levels now for Injective. You can see basically we've got our targets and our previous bull market high as support. You would say really now that we're in this uncharted territory for Injective, that really, as I said in the previous video, the next target for Injective heading up towards that $65 level is going to be probably your most likely target over the next few months. Although, as I said before, we could be heading up towards maybe that $50 level, which would be a big psychological target for Injective as well. But considering how bullish it's been recently, it's very difficult to know how far this is actually truly going to go. But overall, Injective a very solid protocol that has been doing well, and I think this is just a nice precursor of things to come for a lot of other cryptos as well. I've seen a lot of crypto charts that are looking like this, where essentially they've got, you know, this bear market resistance like this. They've got their bear market, their consolidation, and they're just down here in this area starting to make their moves in the, you know, gaming AI spaces in particular. And they'll be down here at what, you know, essentially in the area what Injective was at around $2 at this level. This is the kind of area that they're currently at, with really much more significantly smaller market caps as well. And a lot of people should be probably looking for those kinds of, you know, entries for these kinds of cryptos. Buying Injective at $2 obviously would have been better than buying it at $40 right now, but unfortunately it seems like a lot of people are buying the top right now for Injective. And this obviously adds layers and layers of risk onto potential big pullbacks in the market. And obviously if Bitcoin did have a significant correction right now, we'd probably see Injective coming back down into its most recent area of support, which could well be back down towards, you know, $20-30 in this area here. I'm not saying that this will happen, and we could just see continued parabolic move for Injective, because you can see this hockey stick kind of formation has definitely formed for Injective now. But overall, obviously when things do get this extended to the upside, you can start to see significant pullbacks, especially when we haven't really made very much support at all. There's a little bit of support here. Obviously we've got that previous all-time high support here as well, but really the only first area of decent genuine support for Injective, if it did have a big correction now, would be down here towards that $15, $20, $25 area here. And obviously the moving average, the 100-day moving average here, would be a nice support as well, but that's very far away due to the nature of how parabolic this has been recently. You can see it's basically ran from $8 all the way to $38 in the space of, you know, almost just under 2 months here, which is pretty crazy to see. So right now Injective obviously looking very good. The target to the upside is going to be, you know, $50 first, and then that 127 Fibonacci extension at $65. But obviously the first level of support, if we move to the downside, that previous all-time high of around $27, $28, and then obviously moving to the downside for that as well, heading down to around, you know, $14 or $15 if we did move down to here, down to the previous Fibonacci level. Not saying that will happen, as I said. Probably more likely to retrace to $20, $25, $30 here, and then get a continuation like this, or we might just continue a parabolic move to that upside anyway. But overall, I think Injective's going to do very well going forward. But I am wary of people buying at these all-time highs, because as you know, things can change just like that in cryptocurrency, and it will be interesting to see what happens next. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, sign up to all the free stuff in the description. There's so many sign-on bonuses and so many deposit bonuses down there. Go and get involved, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.